Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's January 2023 and it's time to open your very first dollar bead bag and box of the year. I'm so excited. We had a great 2022 and thank you so much to all of you who watched and commented on the year-end slideshow. It was a blast to make and your pieces are gorgeous. Anyway, we're here to open this, but I just wanted to say that. Thank you so much. All right, so dollar bead box, bead bag, two separate subscriptions. We'll look at the bag first. And we'll put the box aside and you'll see some really beautiful fire polish beads. Okay, here's our bag. So you get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish, and they're gorgeous. And dollar bead bag subscribers can reorder January items through February 2023 for $1 a strand. And you have to look at their website because it's so nice if you're not familiar with this. And their fire polish beads, all their beads are really pretty. And you'll see I have a code Bronze2 for $2 off your first bag or box. I'll put it in the description box below the video with a link to their website. Check it out. See if you like it. All right, so let's go through the fire polish beads. So 3mm strands. We have matte crystal vitriol blue, and that's this guy. So let me take this ring off. So I'm just giving you a little sneak peek. We already made this, but we have something coming up to go with this. So I'll give you a little idea. Anyway, here we go. So this looks, doesn't look quite blue to me, but sometimes I mix up light blues and grays. So there we go. It's very pretty. I love a matte bead, and you got a nice sparkle. Teal. Gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love that color. That color goes with what the video that's coming up, so we'll see if we can incorporate that maybe. Jonquil. And that's a really pretty, it's not really yellow, it's just a beautiful, sort of, actually looks kind of peachy to me. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. And then we have white opal, which is always one of my very favorites. Isn't that pretty? There we go. And then 4mm, we have matte crystal vitriol. Here we see. So there we go. So now you see I hadn't opened these before. I love it. 2 different sizes in the same color. It's how I design. I know I'm a broken record, but that's how I do it. I love incorporating beads of the same color or very similar colors in one piece in different sizes. So that's gorgeous together. Love that they're doing that. Blue opal. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at that color. That's stunning. Oh, I love this. That's beautiful. Gorgeous. Love it. Okay, and then we have turquoise or ocean green opal. Again, a favorite. So beautiful. Look at that gorgeous bead. Love it. I love these 2 together. Gorgeous, so pretty. God, does everybody else get like this, like fluttering in when you see beautiful beads? Transparent citrine. Very pretty. Like the little pop of citrine in there. So here you go. Here's your dollar bead bag for January 2023. $8 a month. Don't forget the coupon code. I'm going to put this away and we will take a look at the box. Okay, so I've emptied the box and here's our letter. And did I tell you, look at this color story. This is gorgeous. Love it. And how beautiful did they coordinate the bag and the box? Absolutely stunning. Love it. Okay, so here's the letter. The assortment of items for this month's box got us to thinking about winter vacations. Oh, me too. Either in the snowy white blue sky mountains or on a white sand aqua water beach. Oh, that's my idea of a winter vacation. So even if you can't be there, we hope this selection will offer a few daydreams to make you smile. And yes, it does. Absolutely. Here's their social media. Here's their contact. Here's the list. So this is... let's see, as low as $18.50 a month. Don't forget that I have a coupon code Bronze2. That's for a 6-month subscription. And it goes up like $1 after that. You know, you have to look at the website. As I said, I have everything linked down below for you. So let's pull the strands out. Oh, look at these colors. Again, I'm getting that, that sort of fluttering in my chest when I see beautiful beads. It's gorgeous. I'm so glad to be back at my beading table. All right, so 3x8mm check glass 3-hole Cali bead, light mint luster, 3-hole Cali bead. Here we go. That's a 3-hole Cali bead, light mint luster, 25 pieces. So you can tell I have not really looked close at these beads, just the colors. So let me put the rest of this aside. So here we go. We must cut these because you really can't see what it is until you get it off the strand. All right, that's gorgeous. So that's a 3-hole bead. Isn't that color stunning? Love, that's beautiful. Okay, next up we have a check glass melon bead, blue-green aqua, 25 pieces. This is 5mm. Again, I mean, the colors just love it, love it. Okay, next up we have a 3x5mm check glass gem cut rondelle, opaque turquoise travertine, 25 pieces. And if you could look really close, you see some of the travertine in there. So like the little darker veins, it's like like a gemstone. Beautiful. Okay, next up we have 7-inch check glass beaded chain, aqua blue and white. And how pretty is that? We've got some little shells, we've got some bicones, some like opal colors. I'm loving this box so far. Absolutely love. And the white, it's like you're on the beach, isn't it? I love it. Okay, next up we have a 5mm check fire polish, opaque turquoise, 25 pieces, and I love the 5. I know, broken record, but they do it so well by giving you a 4. They offer 4mm, 3mm, 5mm, and 6mm, which is great. You don't often see a 5mm fire polish bead, and the 5mm, it's a lot more round. See that? So this is, I love it. And then we'll just go on to last but not least for the strands. We have 6x6mm Lucerna bicone, light blue with peridot, or light sapphire with peridot. Okay, so 25 pieces. Okay, so every once in a while in there's some, like a little, you can barely see it, a little bit of green of the peridot. So that's very unusual. Beautiful. Love that sapphire color. Gorgeous. Okay, let's take a look at the additional items. So 8mm check glass curved cube. That's this guy, and this is in blue with white opal. Oh, this is pretty. I think this is it. I haven't really looked closely through them, but I believe that's the curved cube. Isn't that pretty? I mean, these colors, they're just, I know, I just love them. So pretty. Next up we have these 9x12mm, no, let's try that again. 14x24mm pewter turtle charm, antique silver to quantity. Love it. So cute. Okay, next up we have a 9x12mm check glass tabular oval, mint opal. You get 6 pieces. I know I don't want to keep saying I love this, but I do. Next up we have 5x7mm check glass oval, ocean green opal. You get 10 pieces. I think I left one in my bag. Here we go. Come on, you. There we go. Look how pretty that is. Looks like sea glass. Okay, next up we have 10mm check glass shell, ocean blue opal, 10 pieces. And isn't that pretty with the opal on the bottom and the sort of transparent blue? Look at that color. So pretty. I wanted to show you, which I have had out on my on display in my studio. Let me see if I can straighten this out. This necklace, I know it's hard to see it, but this necklace was made a while ago. We made this, and I'll link the video down below. I can't really get it straight, but it's just a several strand necklace, and it's using some of the beads. I think these would do beautifully with this particular necklace. So I will put a link in the description box below the video to that necklace in case you want to use these beads to make it. Next up we have 10mm check glass laser etched round, teal metallic, 2 pieces. And I don't mean to hesitate now and again, but it's a very long list. And I keep losing my place. I love these etched glass beads. These are gorgeous. We have to do something with these. We have a lot of them, and I think they're putting them all together might be really beautiful. Okay, next up we have a 9x12mm check glass tabular oval, blue opal, 10 pieces. And I love that everything is, many of the pieces are a opal but also with the regular, like transparent or solid color. I love that. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous. Next up, we have a 9 by 20 millimeter check glass drop light blue with bronze, 2 pieces. And I mean, they are knocking that out of the park this month. I mean, if you love these colors, I mean, they're so pretty and so easy to incorporate into a neutral palette if you like neutrals, or, you know, or even, you can even pop black in there with this. But I just love, love, love this color palette. And look at that gorgeous drop. That's really pretty. Okay, next up we have some lobster claw clasps, 15 millimeter sterling silver plated, 3 pieces. Notice I didn't take them out of the bag because I'm so excited about the beads. I should have taken them out, but they are very nice. That's a very nice size lobster, so we'll just pop that down there. Okay, next up we have a 5 millimeter melon bead in aqua, 10 pieces. Again, a lovely contrast to this. This is the color. I love these colors together. So pretty. How pretty is that? Check glass primrose bead, white rainbow luster with blue wash, 15 millimeter, 4 pieces. And where's the hole? Okay, so the hole goes right through. Pop these in on a head pin, like an earring or an eye pin, and put the drop on the bottom. I mean, so many different things you can do with these. Really, really unusual, very pretty. Okay, I love this. This is an 8 by 16 millimeter vintage check glass pyramid cone, turquoise, 1 piece. Look at that. It's a cap. Oh, this has got to go on bead embroidery. That is so pretty. I love it. That is absolutely gorgeous. So let me put that down. And then we have some bonus items. So they have a check glass metallic mix in matte silver. So we have this in copper now, silver. I think there might be gold also, or bronze. No, I think there's an Aztec, sort of an Aztec color gold. So where you get all these different check glass beads, and generally they're, on the smaller ones, you get at least 2 or 3 of them. So here, look, we've got some daggers here. We've got, I love these spikes. We've got some of these little like bars. So look at that. Isn't that pretty? Just, you know, you have them to add to your, you know, to a piece. Like if you need a couple of beads, but you don't want to, you know, 50 of them, and you've got it. You know, you like an odd shaped bead or different shaped bead. So that's really pretty. So let me pop these down and we'll just get a look at everything. So here you go. Here's your dollar bead box. And let me move everything up a little bit so I can get the bag contents in. I can't even get these in. Look at that. Let's pull out just a teeny bit. This was quite a bag and box this month. When I took it out of the box, out of my mailbox, it seemed heavy. This is why. Look what you get here. So this is amazing. You need to go take a look at the website, see what you think. You can reorder items. I mean, just beautiful. Again, lovely color palette. I love all the shaped beads. Make this necklace. I'll put a link down below for this necklace. It really is very pretty. It's just hard for me to show it to you with my camera facing down like that, but really nice. All right, so I want to thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy New Year.